Wow, I just put in $200 on something I didn't even want that much. Boom.
No. What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Daddy Son.
Kicks and Cooking.
And today we are talking about
the Nike SACAI Blazer Low Iron Gray. That's the full name.
Wow.
That's right. It's a lot of names, a lot of words.
It better be a good shoe then.
It's a good shoe, really good shoe. I think it's going to be a hit.
Yeah.
It's another, Nike collab. They're collabing with SACAI for this low. So let's do this Nike unboxing.
All right. Let's get it out.
All right, let's see here. I love the Nike, like the pull-out drawer type box.
That's cool. It doesn't. Oh, I thought it didn't come out all the way. That would have been cool if it like stayed in.
All right, we got it. We got the SACAI paper in here. And for the shoe itself, we got the SACAI Blazer Low Iron Gray. This is a shoe, and for once, it's not a Jordan.
Wow.
Look at that.
Fantasy channel, and it's not a Jordan.
Not a Jordan, man. All right, so this shoe, man, the Blazer typically comes in the high top.
Right, I have one of those.
Yes, you have the regular, the Nike Blazers High 77 is what it's called.
Exactly.
So the Blazer Low, they basically chop it off. But this one is different than the regular Blazers, of course.
This is so like layered. It's like there's like a shoe there's like an outline of a shoe with another shoe inside and then another. Like, look at the back of it.
Right.
There are 5 different backs here. Count them all. Ready?
Yep.
Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Along with this white space right here, and then another gray space up here.
Yep.
So there's 7 shoes packed into this one right here.
That's the creativity of SACAI. So SACAI, if you don't know, is a Japanese streetwear luxury brand, but their take on things is like multiple layers and patterns and textures. So they do, like, they got the double tongue.
Yeah, I love that. That's cool.
We've got double laces, double swooshes.
Are these? So do you have to tie these shoes twice then?
No, well, they're yeah. I mean, you keep them together and you just knot them all at once. But it's you got a double lace. They actually come with a pair of white rope laces too.
More
if you want to change them out, right? So you can take out the double laces and just roll with the white round laces. But for this type of shoe, I think I would keep it as is because it just gives it a lot of texture and just
depth.
Yeah, exactly. A lot of depth, a lot of difference.
Yeah.
And then this suede on the side is cool. What are you gonna say?
But I'm not disappointed though. Like, I actually love this shoe. It's
you
really
like it?
nice, yeah. Look, it has a little sponge on the inside here too. You can squeeze that.
A lot of exposed foam.
Right.
Yep.
So this would probably be comfortable to wear. Actually, yeah, I'm sticking my finger into the bottom here, and it's not like Nike basketball shoes like foam tech or whatever, comfy. But it does seem comfortable, especially with the sponge around the back here. Yeah,
around the collar, that ankle area. I think it'd be really comfortable. There's a lot of foam.
Right.
A lot of foam around the tongue. But yeah, like you said, in the bottom, it's just your typical Nike, cushioning on the bottom.
Right.
And it's, the Blazer itself is an old school basketball shoe. Funny you said basketball. So back in the 70s, that was the basketball shoe, was the Nike Blazer. There was no Jordans or anything like that, no Dunks. But yeah, this shoe, man, it looks like a nice. I like the low top. I would say it's like a summer shoe, but with the darker color, this would be cool in the fall as well.
True that. This actually would be a good fall shoe. It's lucky you got this.
I know, but it's a size 11.
What do you wear?
11.
All right.
Then you wear...
Good for you.
12. Hey, man. It was just one of those things. It was a Nike sneakers release. I said, let's see what happens. And lo and behold, got them. And then there you go.
Okay. I'm not mad.
No.
You enjoy them.
All right. We'll check them out. So yeah, another Nike collab, of course, collabing with SACAI again. They've done a lot so far in the last year or two. And I know upcoming, there is a SACAI Nike collab coming out.
A Cause?
Cause, yeah. Cause the artist.
Oh, C-A-W-S?
K-A-W-S.
K-A-W-S?
That guy.
That too, yeah. Oh, okay, cool.
His logo is like the 2 X's.
Yeah,
You'll see it. And he
like
does the big, they look like kind of Mickey Mouse sad clown looking figures.
They look sick. I love them. I saw this Attack on Titan one. It looked so cool. It was like the Colossal Titan. It looked awesome.
A video game?
No, it's an anime. It's the best ever.
Did it have Cause in it?
Yeah, it was one of those Cause statues.
Oh, okay.
And it was a Titan from the show. It looked awesome. But it was like $1,000, obviously.
Yeah.
But it looked so cool. I need it.
So that's something you can buy, or is that something in a game?
Something you can.
Not game, anime.
It's an anime. It was in real life. You could buy it and put it on a shelf, and that's what I want to do. I want to collect it.
Yeah, the figures.
Put it on a shelf with like a mirror comic pillow or something.
Ah, okay.
You know?
Yeah. So yeah, Cause is a big artist, right? He's done collabs with Nike in the past. He did a Jordan 4 in a dark gray and a dark black suede that was awesome. They were like super limited.
That's cool.
But they had the X's on the back with his logo. And actually, right now, just saw, I think it was this week or last week at 30, outside of 30 Rockefeller, New York, there's like a 15-foot Cause statue out there. Like one of the big figurines.
Sick. And
it's holding like a little Elmo-looking Cause doll thing. But yeah, it just popped up like outside of Rockefeller Center.
That is cool.
Check that out online.
All right, C Squad. Guess what? You didn't know this. Since Dad just mentioned that, we are about to be there in 3, 2, 1, boom!
No, we're not going there right now, but... So also in the collabs, SACAI is doing another release with Fragment and Nike on the Nike LD Waffle. So that's a running shoe. That's a Nike Fragment SACAI design. And they look hot. I mean, they're coming out in the next few days. And, you know, we'll see what happens with those. But it's a nice running shoe. But you don't do running shoes too tough.
You know, actually, I want running shoes.
Do you?
Yes.
For running, like, for training or for fashion?
No, like actual running shoes.
Oh, well.
I had the Flatted Vapor Maxes for a minute.
Yeah.
And I love those. They were awesome. And I want another pair.
And
like I had the purple ones.
The NMDs.
I have the NMDs, but those like, I don't know. For some reason, the pair that I had just like broke apart like after a week. I don't know why. It's like, I'm gonna show you.
Nope, you don't have to show them.
Okay, but it's just like there's like bullet holes on top of them.
I don't know, like a dog got to them.
I know, and I didn't do anything. I don't know what the problem was, but I do want running shoes.
Didn't do anything?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know how you tear up the top of your shoe.
Me neither.
But that's another story for another episode. Look, Nigel, let's get into some food. We're gonna come back, we're gonna throw these on foot so you can see what these look like.
Yeah.
And we can rock out.
Alright.
Cool?
Yeah. Let's go eat. C Squad, if you like shoes, subscribe right now, because so do we. And ring that notifications bell so when we talk about shoes, you can listen to us talk about shoes first. Thanks, C Squad.
So in today's kitchen episode, Nigel, you are going to be making the dinner. It's a surprise. He didn't know this was happening. And every good sous chef, every good home chef should have something easy that they can just throw together real quick. Quick whip together dinner. Sometimes you don't have a lot of time. Boom. I'm gonna see what you can come up with, all right?
Surprise!
Nothing in there.
Today, cinnamon, paprika, red pepper, and garlic salt. These 4 ingredients can be used to make nothing. Let's see what's in the fridge. Right? You know what I'm saying? Right? Hot dog sounds good enough for me. What about you, Daddy C?
Hot dogs, yeah, man. I'm good for some good quality hot dogs.
Good.
Good Angus beef.
Yeah.
But keep in mind, every good meal, 3 components, right?
3.
A protein,
Yeah.
a carb, and a vegetable. So let's see what you come up with.
Hey, he's doing the most, Dad.
That's part of meal making, man. You can't just say, here's a hot dog.
Well, guess what we have? Where's the lettuce? Alright. Hot dogs. That's the protein, right? Carb is the hot dog roll. Hot dog roll. The veggie is the, let's see what's in the freezer. Some lightly salted edamame. Boom shakalaka.
So one of the things you gotta have as a home chef is like those couple little dishes in your arsenal, right? Or you don't have a lot of time, a lot of energy, but something you can throw together quick. Back in the day for me, it was like oodles and noodles, quick ramen pack.
That's what I got too.
You do that. You do that. Hot dogs, it's easy. Grilled cheese, peanut butter jelly.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? All right.
With some Eggos.
Right. What's your quick go-tos at home?
Yeah.
So let's see if he can handle this on his own.
Without a doubt.
All right.
Let's go. So, we're in the kitchen. We got some Angus beefs right here. First, step number 1, we need a pot. Pot right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill it with water first. Cold water. Because once we fill this with water, we're gonna boil this water. Cold water boils faster than hot water. I learned that in 7th grade. Alright, so now that we fill this with water, we're going to turn this fire on and let it boil. And once it starts boiling, we're going to put our hot dogs in there. Are we gonna put the hot dogs in Once it starts boiling or now?
I've always made it when the water's cold. I put the hot dogs in from the beginning, let it heat up with the hot dogs in it.
Right. Have a bite.
No, man, you working. I'm chilling.
Fine.
You can touch them, man. The water's not hot yet.
Right.
You just put the water in there, right?
Right, exactly.
You know how to make those?
Yes, I know how to make these. Microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. That's light.
Let's go put them in.
A microwave safe bowl.
Smart.
Yeah. And a mother. Just pop it in the microwave. That's all it is. Yeah.
So you're just gonna stand around and wait for the hot dogs to boil?
No. What do I do now?
Well, there was always a good kitchen tip that I heard back in the day when I used to work at a restaurant. Managers used to say, if you can lean, you can clean. Think about that. Oh, you can clean. Also, you're preparing stuff, right?
Yeah.
What we gonna eat on?
Plates. I can do that.
Straighten up your area. These things. Ready to go.
They should probably go back in the cabinet.
Bingo. Look at that.
Thank you.
That's something to do.
Thanks.
There's always something to do in the kitchen.
Dinner is served.
My man.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I like what I'm seeing here.
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Thank
It's a
you.
proud dad moment.
Thank you.
Nice. All right, I'll take this one. Then we're gonna go serve it up.
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Let's go.
Next time, we'll move you up to something a little more advanced.
What?
So scale of 1 to 10, Nigel. What's your thoughts on this shoe?
Let's see. On this shoe right here, I can't lie. I love it. It's
do?
pretty rad. I'ma give this shoe a.
Fix his laces. We got laces all this. I like the laces hanging down like that, man. What are we doing here?
See how unimportant that was?
Tidy. You got to tidy up the shoe.
Shoe man over here. We just left the kitchen and Nadia decided to go in there and start cooking. Even though she knows we're trying to record a video, she still decides to bang spoons on the sides of pots while we're in the middle of trying to talk.
Yeah, she obviously doesn't care that we're doing something right now.
She heard us, I think. But these shoes, I'm gonna give them a slight 9 out of 10.
Okay.
Boom, I love them.
That's high, man. 9 out of 10.
Thank you, yeah.
That is big.
I like them, exactly. They're really
Alright.
nice shoes. I love how they're Japanese.
You like that? The Japanese influence?
Yeah.
Very creative.
All right, so you see on an archive page on Instagram.
Okay.
All right, Dad, what about you?
Myself. So now this shoe, I do like it a lot, but you know, I'm 46. So it's like for me,
But you look like some youngin' shoes. Like you look like you look wearing them.
a little bit. I mean, kind of maybe. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna go with. I'll give them an 8 though. They're nice shoe, but for me personally to rock, I can't go too much higher than that.
And guess what size he got them in? His.
Well, I know, man. I know. The thing again, I really wasn't expecting to get them. I thought, it's like this is what happens when the sneakers drops. You know it's there, boom, into the draw's open. So it's like, I like these, they're cool. Like, do I try, see if I can get them? Probably not gonna happen anyway. Let's just see. It's like taking the dice down and rolling them at the casino. And then sometimes it's like, just a little lazy entry, like, we'll see, I don't really want them anyway. Boom, got them. It's like,
Wow. I just put in $200 on something I didn't even want that much. Boom.
no, these released for like $100. But still, mommy behind the camera.
She gets me. She understands what I'm saying.
It was discretionary income that I already had set aside. Don't worry about that.
Secret stash.
But
Why not put in for his size?
right.
Even if you don't think you're going to get it,
yeah.
put in his size.
But here's the other part, right? I'm looking at a shoe and I say, maybe Nigel will like these. But then Nigel, your taste is so fickle, right? I got you a pair of Jordans that I thought these are school colors. Maybe he'll really like these. He didn't really like them.
No, right.
So then I'm like, you know, I got the PSGs for you. I was like, I know you like those.
Yeah, I love those.
I love PSG and they're black, whatever.
Right.
But there's some things when they're like a little different. I'm like, I just don't know. I don't want to get you something and then they just sit in the box in your room forever.
No, I actually do love these though, and I have been like maybe a couple of years ago I wouldn't like these. But I feel like my taste has become more refined over the years.
More refined.
Yes.
Well, we'll see. I mean, these, you know, maybe I'll sell them and get them in a size 12 for you if you really like them. Or
I think
we'll see.
that is an amazing idea.
We'll see what happens.
We'll see.
All right. Next episode, we'll update y'all. But thanks for hanging out. Hey, if you haven't already, you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get the notification when we drop some new heat.
Yes, sir.
Until the next time, thanks for hanging out. Peace.